Chipra Tent House. Ban penriam ye ki ying jing kawai. Ban penbang ye ka sound jong ka shat karwai. Pat shibun ki tiar ngi ai wai. Kum shi benta benang kentiu susu ya ki kenhun jong ki long kemi ha keleng ki jaka jong ka jala ya ki balatip kum ki SSG lan ki self help group badru kum shi benta ban rakhe ki jingda basan posnem jong ka jala Meghalaya kum ka jala ka Bapura ka BMMU umsning sianar di blok harangkat ka jingi trilang bat ka Union Christian College haka sing sajan jong ka tayo balala kata haka arpo tarik ubnai naiweng arajar arpowei kila penlong ye ka jingi kendulang jong ki SSG kabalatip kum ka SSG Mega Event 2021 kom held kam ha auditorium hall jong ka Union Christian College kabadon ha ka sinong umbir Haribhoi district kabadang habru hapo ko umsning sianar di blok Menteri Rangba jong ka Sarkar Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma olwan poi ha kane kesngi kumukongsan jong ka ke program daka jingin don langru jong Menteri ka Sarkar Jelau ba da sakhat bha lamare MP jong ka Raja Sabha Dr WR Kharlukhi ki nong mikmat ka umsning constituency ki bakanthop na du MLA ba Jason Saukmi Maulong EMDC ikong Magdalene Saukmi Maulong Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi District ikong RM Kurba Block Development Officer ka umsning CNRT Block Raja Brahma lembat ki officer jong district kentup de ya kita ki self help group bat ki village organization
Our special guest of honor, Shri Jason M. Maulo, MLA Umsling constituency. To our Madam, Srimati R. Kulma, Deputy Commissioner, Bihar District.
Self-help groups. When we came into the government, we were very clear in our mindset and in our goal that we need to impact and we need to protect and we need to support the grassroots system. And we strongly felt that the only way to do that was to create an institution at the grassroots level where we will be able to reach out to every household in the state. And then we realized that there were schemes of Government of India and the state schemes, and we could do this particular objective or achieve this objective by forming self-help groups. Self-help groups are not just livelihood programs for the women group that have been formed, but they are institutional systems and networks. Today, we have lakhs of members from different households who are part of the NRL movement and who are part of the self-help movement. And tomorrow, the same institutional setup can then be used for multiple government programs. And that is the reason why we have focused on the self-help movement. I would like to tell you that the self-help movement has really been one of the key successes of this government. I repeat, this has been one of the key success programs and successes of this particular government. From a mere 6,000 groups, we are today at 36,000 groups. We, from a mere 200 village organizations when we started, we are today at 2,500 village organizations. From a mere 10 crores which was given to different community investment funds, we have reached 110 crores, from 10 crores to 110 crores as we speak. In Umsling alone, we had only 24 lakhs that we were given to self-help groups. From 24 lakhs in the last 3 years, we have come to almost 5 crores. In terms of the self-help groups that have been formed within the Umsling block, from 190 groups, today we have 1,075 groups in Umsling. From a mere 2 crores of loans that were given to different self-help groups, today we have distributed 90 crores of loans to different self-help groups. From a mere 319 groups who had got loan, today more than 8,730 groups have received loan. This kind of success that they have achieved in the self-help group movement, where more than 3.5 lakh women today are getting benefits because of the schemes that they're doing, the programs they're implementing, is really something that we should all be thankful to the team and the organizers who have worked day and night to achieve this target. And our target will be that there should be one member from every family who should be part of the self-help group. We expect to touch 42,000 self-help groups in the next 1 year. From, as I said, from a year, 6,000 groups will be took over. So therefore, the self-help group movement has come a long, long way. Today, under Umsling block, we will be distributing 1 crore and 6,000 rupees to different Different groups, about 181 self-help groups, will receive 1 crore from the NRLM project. Under the Umling block, 78 lakhs will be distributed to 135 self-help groups just today itself, which means close to about 2 crores is going to be distributed to more than 300 groups, self-help groups that have been formed in the last few months. At the same time, my third point is regarding the Focus program. Now, this Focus program also is a program which focuses on the grassroots level. There are more than 4.5 lakh families that depend on agriculture in our state. There is no particular scheme of the state government that gives direct benefit and help to these farmers. COVID was a very difficult time for the farmers and for everybody. And therefore the government felt that we need to give some financial support to different farmers. And hence we started this program called Focus. The objective of this program is to form registered groups. Give each group based on the members. So if you have 10 members, 5,000 rupees per group means 50,000 rupees to be given to the group. If you have 20 members, then 1 lakh rupees will be given to the group. So like that, we plan to touch 4.5 lakh families who are dependent on agriculture. And the budget for this is about 200 crores. And we strongly feel that this is a very, very small amount to be given to the marginalized and the farmers and all the producer groups who are facing great difficulty. We have already touched more than 3,000-4,000 groups have benefited from this. I've been having this program throughout the state, and today, while we do this SHG data, we will also be distributing the checks for the Focus program. And the idea is very simple. Once this money is given to these groups, sometimes the farmers don't even have enough money to buy seeds on time. Sometimes they don't even have enough money to buy a plastic pipe, or a rubber pipe, or they don't even have enough money to transport their product from their farms to the market. This seed money or this small working capital, which will be in the group's account, can then be used to buy the seeds at the right time, or the tarpaulin to cover their produce, or to be able to make a small shed to store their produce, or even use this money to transport their products from their farms to their markets. So this is what this program is. We hope to cover all the 4.5 lakh families which are dependent on agriculture through this Focus program. And today, under the Umling block, we will be distributing 32 lakhs to 649 farmer families, about 40 groups. And the Umling block, under Umling block, we will be distributing 16.5 lakhs to 330 farmer families, close to 16 farmer producer groups will be benefited today.
Tăng cái chương trình bọc cái riêng, cái chương trình cần tham, ya cái self-help group khám tăng, khi bây giờ là cái này cái sni, cái này cái por bát ni, và cái chương trình bát là cái liên cho cái lomba, apa New York scheme prepare New York cái chương trình prepare là cái central là cái state government, ni đây ban ban kam hai ini ni ban ban kam bet ini namba kumba PP anglo akajing traikam kajong hi kajing yayan ki kajong hi rekat kajing darlang inong irap nagalian kajing government
Redakan instrumen menerbitkan parti akademisi. Bagi susun angkiri, tempat pedang jomli hilang berdoi, kalau perberat tentang yang hidup dengan negara itu, kita dari anggur jomli fiber. Bagi filter, bagi sorkan, kau bagi erap, hari kesuci hari kepot, bagi yang terakhir, bagi lalu, bagi gold, nari kebagian mana itu yang sorga menerapkan kaum yang hidup dengan negeri sendiri. Dan ini dimana community sorga dengan AI berkembang, namun tak terima kita berdiri. Kebetulan. nai ilong ni berlaku ni grup SSG ko pilo nai ilong tentang pekauan pi dapat ditanya lagi berpikir lagi jadi pikir barulah lagi pesan lagi pi join di grup di beberapa nama cuma jam kamu sahabat berpikir ada juga cuma ada kembali ke sini pada baru berpikir jika nyata kami kesenangan grup dengan view kepada dari dalam sultan sebelumnya dapat hasil dan penelok daripada training ini. Maka ini example bahawa ini kabar pandangan dia dapat confirm area election baik kemudian untuk dilakukan menurut perluan sebab. Hati bagi yang dibuat di menteri kita masuk dalam kesenangan grup atau tentang interaction atau tentang exposure. Kata tadi
Self-help group is a beautiful initiative to give those who are less fortunate a chance that they who are deserving those have the will and fire to succeed, to have an even playing field with the help of the government, the officers and the staff of the CNRE department. I take this opportunity to thank the government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma for paving a way for our young unemployed youth and other aspirants of the society to achieve the goals and ambition.
What I can say, get back to the Antarctica, not they should have, put this at the group, give a commission, but in creation, under the national, and the creation of the way of the Japanese, they were kelendak kita engineer jaman kita engineer jaman kita 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 dan management haji ke konversasi nak mereka nak kita hamana dia hamana kita foundation
Saya. Thank you so much. Kita ada bukan kami itu pas betul kan.